All right, guys, we're getting ready for another install here inside CANA at the famed AQUA Marina apartments. Okay, we're all set up. We've got our partner here, Jeremy. He's getting ready to do an install. So, Jeremy, what are we installing today?
Under sink reverse osmosis system.
And have we done a water test here yet, or today we're doing it all?
We've already done a water test here with a prior install. It's the typical Napa water that feeds most of capcana and Punta Cana.
Not drinkable.
It's not drinkable, no. It's got bacteria in it. It's got a high TDS level. So we're going to install this, and in just about an hour and a half, they will have drinkable water at their kitchen sink.
There you go, guys. We're going to take you along for this install too.
There's no way this is going to work. She did tell me she had drawers.
Hey, Kelly, so we're brainstorming here. We got a couple issues because these shelves are here, right? So we don't know. We got pull-out drawers. So the solution that we have, which if you give the go-ahead, we can do it. It's going to take a little bit of extra time, so Jeremy will go over that with you. But if you're okay with it, then what we're planning on doing is installing the tank here, but we're going to have to cut this shelf some. Potentially we remove, we're going to cut right here. We'll cut that off so this is all open, and we'll brace it from underneath. Okay, so potentially we'll do that, or we will cut a circle in. But if you're good with it and trust us to do it, we can make it happen. Let us know as quick as you can. Little wall here where there's not enough space back here because of these cabinets, so make sure you give us a heads up if you guys are calling. Let us know if you got cabinets in place, because then we got to be creative, and that's what we're going to do here. We pulled out that shelf, and what we're going to do is notch out space so we have enough space for our filter right here, and we have enough space for our tank. So we're going to slice out on the back and create that space that's needed. But so these are kind of the creative options that we'll come up with for you to make things work.
It stays open. If you push it down, it's a actuated position.
Here to note during this install is the owner was so happy with us. The fact that we called to get approval before slicing up her shelf, okay? Of course, it is the only way to get the install done, and that was our determination. But the fact that our team called and said, hey, can we do this, is, you know, a difference in the service that we're providing versus others. All right.
Alright, so we're going to install this three-way valve. It hooks into the water supply for the fixture, cold water. And then, so we take off the faucet supply, cold water, unscrew it. Screw this on, screw that faucet line back on, and then this goes out to our RO system. Like it's a standard 3/8, so this should go fairly smooth.
What's this process?
So this is just the hole that we drilled through here. We're going to put the faucet through. Before we do that, we put the rubber washer to prevent water and the beauty ring. Set that there. And I gotta go underneath and tighten it up. Once I get it tight, Cash, can you hold it in that position?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. So now we're going to put the drain saddle on. So ROs, when they filter the water. About 3/4 of the water it filters. Well, 2/3, 3/4 of the water it filters through the RO membrane actually is the wastewater, and that's gets dumped automatically into the drain lines. So what we do is we'll like hook this saddle into there. We'll drill a little hole, and then the RO drain line will just go flow into that.
What are you doing now?
Just getting the drain hose ready through the saddle that we're going to drill. So that's going to seal on the surface of the pipe, and then that'll poke through into the pipe and drain out on its own. Here.
So you're drilling a small hole in the drain?
Yep.
Yeah, I offer you
What are you doing?
I just want to make sure I got that lined up right. Okay.
No, she doesn't like it.
Okay, we're good. Okay. We're going to run the lines from here into the filter where it's going into the underneath the cover that.
Oh, you mean, then forget about this one was 3 years, 3 years ago. You remember what happened with the jet and then, and now it's very popular because it's new.
The ports that we put the hose line in, just to make sure they don't come undone. Here. It's dry, no leaks. Since we're doing this system in the other cabinet, we'll go ahead and install the stuff in there and hook the lines up. It should be good to go. Caps.
Tell me where we're at here.
So this is the RO unit itself. And what I'm doing right now is just taking apart all of the little caps, shipping caps, processing caps they put on.
Processing, like protection.
So when they manufacture these, they put each one through a test individually, charge it full of water, make sure it's working, not losing any pressure, and then they cap it.
I don't think you're getting that with the Chinese models.
No.
I have to say.
No, you are not.
I have a gut feeling that doesn't happen.
And so, have to release the pressure and a little bit of water that may have built up in this.
From the testing.
See,
Yeah, there you go, yeah.
a little bit of water in
So
there.
you know
In
it's
the
been tested.
testing, you know it's been tested and it's worked.
That's
their
cool.
test. All
And you
right.
say this all the time. This is the difference between our product and other products out there. This kind of stuff is not happening. That's where we give that guarantee.
Drain line. Okay. Thrown away. Because of this configuration, just to make it easier to install, we're going to install this underneath in the bottom. And then all three of these lines that you see coming out from the drain and the supply water and the faucet that we've got run through there are going to get hooked up to the different spaces. This is your going to the faucet, this is coming in from the water supply, this is your drain line, and this is your tank line. And lastly, that's what we'll be doing, is hooking the hose up from that tank to this here. I'm going to mark a couple holes. Good. Got all the lines hooked up to the RO filter itself. Again, getting ready to mount that inside the wall. So we're going to put the filters on. This unit here, our standard unit 4-stage, is pretty simple. Quarter twist and turn filters. You got a sediment filter that takes out all of the sand, silt, clay, and you run into a first carbon filter that again further filters it, takes out any kind of odors, anything like that. It goes through the RO membrane, which is the workhorse. That's what filters it down to purified water. And then once it exits that, it goes into the holding tank that we've installed. And then when you turn your faucet on, it comes out of the holding tank through a third or fourth filter, which is another carbon block, just to give it one last filtering before it enters the faucet. Everything looks good. So we're going to turn the water on.
I sat at a table using dumping.
We're going to faucet up, and this will probably take about 10 minutes.
Before.
Okay. Before we even start seeing water come through.
Yes, they've been trying to sell.
And
Because
they
they
bought
bought
it
in
in
St.
Regis.
Regis. I love her villa, but she said I haven't.
Quick cleanup now.
And this one, because
Just waiting for this to flush out. Takes about 10 minutes.
Open this up. If you go up with it, it'll stay in the open position, rather as opposed to this. Flip it up. It's gonna run for 3 or 4 minutes, and it'll start to get down where it's just dripping like this. You shut it off, then you can drink the next round.
Oh,
And how long does it take to fill?
3 hours.
About 3 hours. Okay, got it.
So tomorrow,
yeah, tomorrow morning we'll
Mañana.
have this.
Oh, yeah.
it's our favorite word. Mañana. You're recording.
Totally. No, it's okay. We're gonna voice over it too.
You could use it. But first we open it and run it for 15-20 minutes.
So in other words, make some water.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
Good to go.
That's it.
Awesome.
So what do these guys have now?
So just so you're aware, the shut off for that, the main valve is right. Let me get my flashlight.
The blue one.
You guys have been wonderful, on time, installed in the exact amount, and everything is in working order.
There you go, Jeremy.
I'm glad that worked out, and we got both units done for you. And just let us know if you have any issues. Like I was telling you earlier, we'll do the maintenance plan. I'll get you in the schedule and
Guarantees?
give you a heads up. Yeah, all our work is guaranteed for a year.
Okay, perfect.
You guys,
I do have some other